In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click the My Trades. This will open up the Market Watch, and it has multiple subsections. On the favorite, if you have already bought some Bitcoin, it will appear here. But if you can't find any Bitcoin, all I have to do is use the search feature and type in Bitcoin. And what will happen is it will give you all of these Bitcoin results. For example, ETH, Bitcoin, and a lot more. For example, we're going to choose the third option. If you do that, if you right click on it, for example, you choose this one. If you right click on it, you would see that it will give you three more options: open ticket, open chart, and add to favorites. So we're going to click the open chart. This will open out the chart panel. And from here, you would see all of the indicators and its movement. Now, if you want to put a specific amount that you want to sell, you can do so. Or if you want to add a specific amount of Bitcoin that you wanted to buy, you can do that. For example, we're going to put in 69. And after this, you have the ability, it's either to sell or buy by market here in XTB. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to buy Bitcoin on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.